Column function returns the column number of a cell reference. This function has only one argument. In reference argument, select the cell or range of cells for which you want the column number. If you leave blank this argument, the cell containing the column function is used. In reference box, click at any cell. Click OK. Column function returns the column number of the cell reference H10 is 8. This is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and adding H is column number 8. Active this cell. Click lookup and reference arrow button. Click column function. Leave blank this argument. Click OK. Column function returns the column number 4 in which the column function appears. This is column number 4. So function returns 4 in this cell. Active this cell. Click lookup and reference arrow button. Click column function. In reference box, select any array. Formula result shows function returns 6 because starting column number is 6. So it returns 6.